Everyone, welcome to part 2 of standards memorizing. Before going ahead, just have to quickly tell you about this features of Unacademy. So let's see this. On Unacademy, we are having the Accelerate with Yashas batch for May 22 attempt, 100% English comprehensive batch for CA Intermediate Group 1 aspirants, which starts on 13th October 2021. Superheroes can be built. All they need is right guidance. You have all these wonderful faculties on Unacademy. We'll be teaching you the subjects. Live interactive class, unlimited recorded lectures, multiple educators for all subjects, doubt solving sessions every week, practice mock test series are all part of Unacademy's one subscription, multiple benefits. What are you waiting for? You get all subjects at the price of one, multiple educators for one subject, and one subscription for all batches, revision classes, fast track batches, and test series. For the plus subscription for 24 months, it is 1125 per month. And for Iconic subscription, it is 3188 per month. CA Iconic program, a flagship program for CA intermediate students is there, where you get something called a live mentoring program is coming up. That is one-to-one personal coaching, 1:1 doubt solving. Then you have evaluated test series, printed books, industry expert sessions, and Discord. Also, you get the plus benefits also like live classes, weekly test, study materials, unlimited access, and structured courses. 1:1 live mentoring in Iconic. You get all these benefits, which are experienced personal learning like never before. Discuss your doubts, clarify your concepts, and enhance your exam strategy with just a click. Get customized study plan from dedicated mentors. And finally, articleship guidance to serve you, to help you leave a mark in the professional world. One thing that is launched, that is the evaluated test series. For after 40% portion, there is a test. 80% portion, there is a test, and finally 100% portion, there is a test. Test followed by analysis class and detailed evaluation of answers by subject matter experts. Get personal guidance and feedback from experts basis your performance. Those are the features on Unacademy. Now, boys and girls, let's start with our part 2. Okay, let's see this one by one and let's just learn more English into part 2 of this area. Okay, everyone, let's go ahead. Now, what this group of friends, what they decide is, let's start a store. So they open a store. So they open a store in January 2020. On 10th of Jan, they open a store. So you can see there is a store opening here. Okay, there is a store opening that they do. And they open a store wherein this is their first retail shop. Okay, where people can come and buy clothes. Okay, which is like new fashion, sustainable fashion, as I told you. All these concepts are there. After they do the grand opening, for the next 20 days, nobody comes. Nobody comes to the store. It's a new store. Nobody comes to the store. So what happens is, for the next 20 days, they all are doing their analysis. Why isn't anybody coming? What is lacking in us? Why isn't anybody coming to this store to buy things? All these things they are wondering. Okay. Now what has happened is, see, everybody has come to the store, but they have not tried anything. So after 20 days of analysis, finally on 30th of Jan, so 10th they open, 20 days they do analysis because nobody is entering the store. And on 30th of Jan, they realize that they should give samples. Samples are very important. When they give the samples out, people will feel their clothes, wear their clothes. Other people will praise them. Oh, what a design! Where did you buy this from? And that's how the word will spread. So they realize that samples are very, very important. Samples are very, very important. So these friends, what they decide is, they decide that, okay, they have estimated that 540 meters of raw material will be required from China. So they're planning to get all the raw materials from where? From China. So they have estimated that 540 meters of cloth will be required, which they will cut and everything, make, good samples, fashionable samples, which they will give it to people at a discounted price so that they can wear and try the material. So 540 meters of cloth is required, but who is going to get there? So what happened is, one of the persons who is there, he is Chacha. Chacha means, Chacha means father's younger brother. Okay, it means Chacha. Okay. In Tamil, we call it Chittappa. Okay. And so like that, I think in every language you have a term for Chacha. Correct? No. Now Chacha, luckily for one of the person, the Chacha is flying to China for some work purpose. Okay. So Chacha went to China and Chacha came back from China. And when Chacha came back, Chacha returned after the balance sheet date. So Chacha returned from China after the date of the balance sheet. After the date of the balance sheet, that is nothing but 31st of March. Now, boys and girls, you only imagine, if somebody has returned from China in the year 2020, after 31st of March, there's a high chance that Chacha must have also got something very special with him also. Okay. And that is nothing but the coronavirus. So what happened is, Chacha came back with coronavirus and infected everyone. So all of them are infected. See, all of them are infected with corona. Okay. So what happens is they go to the doctor. The doctor takes all the tests and then gave a prescription to them. He gives a prescription that, okay, so and so is wrong with you. So now you have to, take rest and ensure that you are isolated and you are quarantining and not affecting other people. So that is what the doctor gives in the prescription. Easy. Now this is one part of the story. The best part about this is this covers your 500 series, lot of areas of 500 series. Let's see one by one. See, opening balances is 510, SA 510. 520 is analysis. That is analytical procedures. Then after that, you have samples. That is SA 530. Then 540 is accounting estimates. 550 is Chacha. Chacha, we'll call him as relative only in this part. See, remember, in Companies Act, no, the father's younger brother is not a related party, not a relative for a person. But in this case, it is Chacha in China, no, Church. That is why I've taken Chacha China. Easy to remember. So that is why 550, we'll just remember Chacha for us normally is relative. So just remember related party. Okay. So Chacha goes to China, comes back after the date of the balance sheet. That is nothing but a subsequent event. Anything that is happening after the date of the balance sheet, it is a subsequent event. But that is, say, 560. Now, when Chacha comes back, no, everybody gets coronavirus. Now, see, once you get coronavirus, no, you feel that you're now gone. You're not gone. So you feel that you're now a gone concern. But here we'll say going concern. So going concern is, I say, 570. Going concern. Okay. Finally, the doctor takes a test and gives you prescription. Doctor gives you something in writing. That is nothing but called a written representation. Written representation. Everyone, very, very clear here. Very, very simple. Okay. So 10th January, we open. That is, I say, 510. 20 days analytical procedure. Then the 30th of Jan is samples. We decide to give samples. 540 is accounting estimates. 550 is your related parties. 560 is subsequent events. That is events occurring after the date of the balance sheet. 570 is going concern and 580 is written representation. Very clear. Okay. Now let's do a revision. So 200, 210, we already know terms of agreement, quality control, documentation covered later. We have already done that. 250 laws compliance, 260 communication to TCWG, 265 internal control deficiency, 300 plan, 320 materiality, 500 evidence, 315 risk, 330 response, 450 misstatement. Then you have 240. Now the series 3, opening balance, analytical procedures, sampling, estimates, related party transactions, subsequent events, going concern, and finally written. It should not be report, it should be representation. So please excuse this error. It should be written representation. Very clear, everyone. Very, very simple till here. Okay, no issues at all. That is in relation to this area. That is in relation to this area. Okay. Now, the next part of the story. Okay, so now what happens is one of them is admitted to the hospital. Okay, so the doctor sees the test report, sees, oh, there's simply something very seriously wrong with you. Okay, you have to take a rest. Okay, don't exert too much, no mobile phone, nothing. You have to just do bed rest. Okay, so doctor, when he looks at a test report, no, he says that aap log gaye kaam se. Now, aap log gaye kaam se is a Hindi terminology, but it means now you are gone. Now you are gone. You have to be very careful, otherwise it will deteriorate your health. Okay. So now you're gone. That is, aap log gaye kaam se. Just remember that. So we ask the doctor what to do. So doctor tells us you should modify your habits. That is, aadat ko modify karo. Aadat ko modify karo simply means you have to change your habits. Okay, you have to change your habits. You have to modify your habits. Okay. So what is modify your habits? Modify your habits means we ask doctor, okay, so what all to do? When you say modify your habits, what do you mean? So doctor says, see, you have to drink boiling water. We used to all do all these things though in lockdown, boiling water. Then you have to remember God. So just remember Om, 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 Om. Remember God. Okay. Remember the divine power. Okay. So the doctor says, say Om, Om, Japo, you say. Okay. But for Om, Om, we'll say Eom, Om. Okay. We'll say Eom, Om. Doctor says Eom, Om, Japo. Okay. Then doctor says that you please ensure that you are comparing some data, other information regularly. What is comparing other information regularly? Doctor says keep ensuring that you're looking at this, what do you call that, thermal scan you're doing. You're doing that oximeter you are taking, you're looking at the oxygen level, checking your temperature on regular basis. All these things you have to do. Okay, very simple. So let's go from the beginning. Doctor first gives a test report. Okay, that is nothing but your SA 700. Doctor says, aap log gaye kaam se. Kaam means key audit matter paragraph. That is your essay 701. Then doctor says आदत को modify करो. Doctor says आदत को modify करो. आदत को modify. Modified opinion is 705. Doctor says you have to remember God. That is Om Om Japo. Om Japo is nothing but what? 706. Doctor says compare to comparative analysis, comparative information, corresponding figures, and comparative financial statements. Essay 710. And finally, doctor says you check your other information also properly. That is nothing but your 720. I say 720 is other information. Okay, very, very clear, very, very simple. Yes or no? Now, this gives us the entire list here. Okay. Now, I'm giving you the analysis of all the essays I'm giving you. But however, students, please note that there are some areas which are not there in a very prominent way in CA Inter. Okay, in CA Inter, whatever is not there, I just tell you the numbers, you should just note it down. But still, it is part of the story. You can still remember it. In future, when you come to CA final, you will be able to remember it. Students who are there in CA final, you have to know everything. Okay, you have to know everything. So you have to ensure that everything is done in a very nice and neat manner. Okay, still it is pending. Wait for it. There are a few standards which are still pending. Wait for it. Okay. Now this covers your till essay 720. It is done. Now, we'll remember something that we did in lockdown, and I'll just show you here. See, in lockdown, what happened? Bina expert service karna padega. It means in lockdown, you had to clean your own house. You had to ensure that you are taking care of your own things, or bringing your own groceries. Nobody is there to help you. You have to mind your own things on your own. You are on your own. Correct? No, everybody was minding their own work. So you understand during lockdown, Bina expert service karna padega. Even in my house, because of my height, I had to clean the fan. So all the people with height were given the job of cleaning the fan because it is very easy for us now. So Bina expert service karna padega. See what is written below that. Jointly bhi nahi kar sakte because of social distancing. You cannot even do it jointly. So you cannot call someone from outside and say, okay, you do half, I'll do half. We cannot do that because you have to maintain social distancing. So Bina expert service karna padega. So we had to do all our work together. Bina expert means without any expert, you have to do all the service. And jointly bhi nahi kar sakte. Jointly also you cannot do it. So what is this? What is B? B is your branch auditor, other auditors come in SA 600. INA is internal auditors, that is 610. Then you have expert 620. Service is your when you give some work to some other entity, you outsource the work. Okay. So the other organization is called as a service organization to whom you have outsourced the work. That is 402. Finally, you have joint auditor, that is your 299. So 600, 610, 620, 402, 299. Generally, this is very easy to remember. Okay. That is it. Now the final last two things I have to tell you. That completes this area. Okay, final two things. Let's go for it. That is your essay 501. That is silly matter. You know, we have done in the class silly matter. That is segment information, inventory, litigation and claims. Segment information, inventory, litigation and claims. 501 you have to just remember separately, and 505 is external confirmation. External confirmation. Okay. How I just remember this, you know, I just remember that in my building, no. Let's say in the flat 501, no. There is one boy who just talks about silly things, you know, small boy just talks about silly things. Okay. So I remember silly. Okay. Then I remember in 505, no, there is an auntie who stays. Her auntie, no, goes and asks the, result of every child in the building. Whenever the exam result comes, no, she'll go to that house and ask, hey, how much percentage did you get? Okay. She'll always go out of her house and do external confirmation. So 501, the child is silly, and 505, the auntie will do external confirmation. Okay. That completes our standards memorizing. If you still want some clarity regarding this, what I suggest is watch this video once more. You will get everything once again. But I'm very sure in the first time itself, it must have gone in your mind. Okay, use this video for your benefit. Quote all the standards in the exam. That is the main intention. If you like the video, please ensure that you are showing it by liking the area. You're commenting in the chat area. If you like the story, please comment in the chat area. I'll be very happy to read and know about it. I wish you all the very best. Follow me on Unacademy. Follow my lectures, and we'll ensure that you are scoring excellent marks in the subjects of audit and law, which I take. Wish you all the best, dear students. Take care. Bye.